A special thanks to all my subscribers. I've reached 4,000 recently, 4,124 right now. You know, it's not a big number, especially if you consider the entire YouTube space. Could be nothing, but it means a lot to me, so thanks. I'm going to keep on recording and keep on working on my projects. I have two right now, the 2.5D platformer and the cube snake. I'm going to keep on working on them until they turn into a legit product. I'm happy because I took a screenshot of my views recently. This is a year worth of views. Somewhere around here is my very first video. And as you can see, I've been continuously going up. And you might notice a little spike here. The spike is from Bracky's, I think it was last year, where he gave a little shout out to one of my videos. And it was barely a mention. It was at the very end of his video, but you get a spike. So you can pretty much see how powerful these influencers are. And I've been continuously going up, so I'm really happy. Every day I'm getting more views, more subscribers, more people joining my Discord server. And I kind of like engaging, so I do try to answer every single comment. I also try to answer every questions on my Discord server. Some of those questions can be easily answered if you just search for, a few things on Google. So I would always recommend, you can watch the videos, you can watch tutorials, but you should also, try to Google things and experiment with your own project and just try to find your own answers. And just in case anybody's wondering, this is my happy voice. I might sound depressed. Some people have pointed that out, but I'm extremely happy right now. I love recording the videos. I love working on my own game and sharing my progress with anyone who might be interested. So I'm not sad or depressed at all. In fact, I'm feeling exactly the opposite. And I like being consistent. I like grinding things out. And I think I'm going to continue to work on my projects every single day until they're finished. I guess not having a personality is sort of my way of staying motivated without burning out. And I work on pretty much the same things, very similar things every single day. So I try to be consistent. I don't even try to be funny or entertaining. This is all I do. I hit the record button and work on my game. And luckily, some people have found that interesting enough to hit the subscribe button and continue watching. So I'm very thankful about that. And I can't wait till both of my projects are finished. But I do try to take small steps every single day. And I guess that's just my way of working on my project for the long term. Okay, so I think that's all I got to say for this video. Again, thanks for watching. Big thanks for everybody who subscribed and everyone who continue to watch my videos. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.